Hello guys, this will be not a typical video with Laravel tip, but instead a celebration video. Celebration of what? Let's type into YouTube search Laravel daily and you see one round number. Zoom, 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 1000 videos. Exactly 1000. So the video that you're watching at the moment is 1001st video. And for quite a while I've been waiting for two round numbers, what will be the first, 100,000 subscribers or 1000 videos, and the video number came first, and it's actually even symbolic. It symbolizes that the consistency of daily video is the key and the subscribers come later as a byproduct or result, but that should not be the goal, and that isn't what I directly control. I control showing up, shooting the videos, talking to you guys in the comments, and then if you like that, you subscribe. That's how it works on YouTube. And with this video, I also want to announce that I want to take a small vacation. Well, in fact, my family planned the vacation, the real vacation, long time ago. So tomorrow I'm heading to a beautiful island of Corfu, Greece for a week. But usually my vacations were always with content scheduled ahead. So what I used to do is schedule like 7 days ahead of videos that were just published without me being involved. But this time I decided to take a real break from publishing videos, and maybe some of you need to get some rest from my face and saying hello guys every morning. So there will be some pause in publishing videos on this channel until 6th of June, Monday, where I will be back with the next video. In fact, it is already shot and scheduled. I cannot just go on vacation and not shoot at least one video just in case. But anyway, I will be back then. And meanwhile, on vacation, I will still be thinking about ideas, about new videos, new courses, because let's admit it, I'm a bit of a workaholic and I cannot just sit and do nothing. Maybe I need to learn that, or maybe not. That's my way of living my life for quite a long time. So in June, after I get back, I will publish 3 new courses, which are all in progress. It's about React and API in Laravel, it's about Filament admin panel, and about collection chains in Laravel. And also many more things are coming on this YouTube channel with new ideas again. Some of those ideas are inspired by your comments, so be active in the comments, and see you guys in the video number 1002 after my vacation. Bye for now.